Here's how to create this green screen transition. Step 1. Film 2 clips. Clip 1. Film a video of yourself with a green phone screen. Clip 2. Find an old travel memory or create a new one. Step 2. Put the videos together. Import your travel video into InShot. Press PIP and import the video of yourself with the green phone screen. Scroll to the portion where the green screen appears, then press Chroma to remove the green background. And that's it, an easy green screen transition for your next holiday video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.